Disclaimer, this is not a regular listing. This is one of the nicest places I've ever listed, and it's an hour north of Baton Rouge, right here in Wilkinson County. Little Falls is 722 acres located right here on the Buffalo River, and this place is truly unbelievable. The 4,000 square foot lodge overlooks two giant waterfalls right here on the Buffalo River and Silver Creek. Year-round fun for four-wheeler riding, fishing, swimming in the falls, taking a nap down by the hammock. This place is just truly unbelievable. Not to mention the hunting on this track. Turkeys all over it. We saw hogs today. We saw deer today. And the food plots are designed in such a way where you can get the maximum enjoyment out of the place. Large food plots with great access from the backside to big box stands. Great hardwood and pine timber for income and to hold your wildlife. This track is truly unbelievable. If you're looking for a place with a beautiful lodge, a man cave that is second to none. I mean, wait till you see this man cave. It is unbelievable. If you're looking for a place for you and your family to enjoy for generations to come, only an hour from Baton Rouge, right here in Big Buck, Wilkinson County, you need to check out Little Falls. I promise you, this place will not disappoint.